Meaning of hairdo.
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 Hairdo. The term hairdo refers to a particular style or arrangement of hair. It is often used to describe a hairstyle that has been specifically created or arranged for a particular occasion or purpose. A hairdo can be simple or elaborate, and may involve the use of various hair products, tools, and accessories. Hairdos can also vary depending on personal preference, cultural traditions, and trends. They are commonly seen on red carpets, weddings, and other formal events where a person's appearance is important. Overall, a hairdo is a way of expressing one's personality and sense of style through their hair.